In this experiment, I'll compare three of the most powerful AI image generation models: Nano Banana, 2 Lite, then Seedream 5.0 Pro, and GPT Image 2. The goal? To find out which model delivers the most realistic result for a professional advertising design. I started by uploading a single reference photo of an insulated delivery backpack from my computer, a black and gray thermal bag with the JEB.MA orange logo, straps, and buckles. Then I created a text node with this prompt: generate a photorealistic image of a delivery rider on a motorcycle, viewed from behind, with the exact backpack from the reference image mounted and securely strapped on the back rack of the motorcycle, clearly visible with its logo readable, rider wearing a black helmet and jacket, riding away from the camera on a Moroccan city street. Daylight, slight motion blur on the wheels, palm trees, and traditional architecture in the background. I connected this same backpack image and the same prompt to 3 separate image nodes: one for Nano Banana, 2 Lite, one for Seedream 5.0 Pro, and one for GPT Image 2, so that all 3 models worked from the exact same input, ensuring a fair and logical comparison. Now it's time to generate. Let's watch the results one by one, starting with GPT, then Seedream, then Nano Banana. Now, it's time to generate. Let's start with GPT Image 2, and here's the result. The delivery box is mounted perfectly on the motorcycle's rear rack. The logo is sharp and fully readable, and the lighting blends naturally with the Casbah gate in the background. A strong cinematic result. Next, Seedream 5.0 Pro. Also very photorealistic, with great detail on the Medina Street and the mosque tower in the background. The box placement on the bike is accurate, though the overall look feels slightly more staged compared to GPT's shot. And finally, Nano Banana 2 Lite. The composition and motion blur look great, but if you look closely at the logo text on the box, it's a bit distorted and harder to read. This is where it falls a little behind the other 2. So, quick verdict. All 3 models handled the box mounting on the motorcycle well, but GPT Image 2 and Seedream 5.0 Pro clearly outperform Nano Banana 2 Lite when it comes to preserving sharp, readable text and logo details. This video is sponsored by SeaArt. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Inshallah.